We are here for One Earth program as a preparation towards PRES program, in which Oyo State is one of the states choosing for livestock development.
So I'm glad to be one of the participants in the ongoing training organized by PRES, the One Health platform for your state training. It's such a great honor to be here, and it has been very engaging since we started yesterday.
I just want to really appreciate those who actually put this thing in place. I mean, it's such a nice experience for me, having people from the field of animal health, human health, environmental health, under the same roof. And we all have one focus, one health, how we can come about promoting public health. So health is no longer a silo thing, whereby you do your own, I do my own. Because if you do your own and I don't do my own, then your own will have no effect. So we have come together now to harmonize all this effort to be able to promote One Health and public health ultimately. So it's a good one, and I really commend the governor of the state, Engineer Makinde, for this great initiative. Kudos to him.